Okay, we continue with this now. Question number 2, fifth part we had to take up on positive integers defined as a to the power of b. Okay, so yes, if a and b are integers, again you would say any integer, positive integer to the power of another positive integer is also a positive integer. So it is a binary operation, and clearly it is not commutative. I don't know if I've done it. Yes, I've done it here. Okay, so a star b would be a to the power of b, and b to the b star a would be b to the power of a. So clearly these two are not equal. A to the power of b, example देके भी आप clear कर सकते हो. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 and 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Okay, so they are not equal, so it is not commutative. Then for associative we need to check this relation. तो पहले इसमें rule लगेगा a star b to the power of c. Okay, फिर a first number to this power. So a is the first number to this power. So a to the power of b to the power of c. That is how it comes out. Then here a star b star c. So it's first number to the power of second number. So a star b, ये स्टार सी ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू होता है. नेक्स्ट में फिर यह बी ऑपरेशन लगता है. फर्स्ट नंबर टू द पावर ऑफ सेकेंड नंबर. सो ए टू द पावर ऑफ बी टू द पावर ऑफ सी. तो यहाँ पे ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. चिल्ड्रन प्लीज बी केयरफुल ना, इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है बच्चों को. अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस वॉज a to the power of this whole thing. Here b was to the power of c. अब इसमें है अगर आपका इसकी पावर c आ रही है तो इट वुड बी a to the power of b to the power of c. तो ये दोनों पावर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी. ओके, सो दिस विल बी not associative, right? Okay, then which is your next operation? That is a upon b plus 1. Quite clearly this also binary to hai, because if a is a rational number, a is a real number, a and b both being real number upon any real number plus 1 other than b. उसने b खुद ही minus किया हुआ है. Okay, other than b as -1, that has been removed from your domain. So this would be a binary operation and it would not be commutative. A star b will come out to be a upon b plus 1. B star a would be b upon a plus 1, which are not equal. Okay, these two are not equal, so it is not commutative. Then a star b is a upon b plus 1. First element upon second element plus 1. स्टार सी, फिर ये पूरा आपका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट की जगह आ जाएगा ए की जगह. ओके, अपॉन सेकेंड एलिमेंट प्लस 1. this will come as denominator, both of them. So b plus 1 c plus 1, and in numerator you have only a left. Now if you do it the other way around, b star c पहले करते हो तो it will be first entry upon second entry plus 1. So b upon c plus 1. Then first entry in the numerator upon second entry in the denominator plus 1. तो इधर LCM लोगे, so it will become b plus c plus 1. Reciprocating, that c plus 1 goes to the numerator. Again you can compare and say these two are not equal, so this is not associative. Okay, now question number 3 was saying consider a binary operation. अभी तक स्टार एस्ट्रिक साइन से दिखा रहा था ऑपरेशन, अभी उसने इससे दिखा दिया. ओके, तो these are different symbols. Any symbol can denote any kind of operation. So we are considering a binary operation on this particular set having entries 1 2 3 4 5, defined as that this operation would mean finding minimum of the two entries. Write operation table for this operation. Okay, so you must have seen the example already of, there's one example of how to operate, how operation table is to be formed. So what we do in forming an operation table is, in the top we keep a row having all entries of the set. Then the left we make a column having all the entries of that set. So 1 2 3 4 5 here, 1 2 3 4 5 here, and here you will write the operation that we are talking about, which was minimum of the two entries. Okay, so for now intersection of these rows and columns you'll get number of cells here. Okay, so each cell out here you see its topmost row and leftmost column. तो इन दोनों में ये ऑपरेशन लगना है. क्या? minimum of 1 and 1 is 1, minimum of 1 and 2 is also 1, minimum of 1 and 3 will be 1, minimum of 1 and 4 will be 1 again, minimum of 1 and 5 will be 1 again. You get that how we are supposed to do it. Okay, now इधर आओगे तो इसमें आप दोगे इस सेल के लिए या इस एंट्री के लिए क्या होगा, 2 and 1 के बीच का आप ढूंढोगे. minimum of 2 and 1 1. Minimum of 2 and 2, 2. Minimum of 2 and 3, 2 again. Minimum of 2 and 4 is 2. Minimum of 2 and 5 is 2. That is how you fill in the entries. Then here this would be 3 and 1 ka minimum, which is 1. Then 2 and 3 ka minimum, which is 2. 3 and 3 ka minimum, same hai to 3. Then 4 and 3 ka minimum is 3 again. 5 and 3 ka is 3. Right? So that is how you have to fill in your table. This entry, iska top is 3, left is 4. Means 4 and 3 ka minimum, which is 3, comes here. आ रहा है समझ में? Okay, so that is how we prepare what we call as our composition table or operation table. Okay, and now there are certain ways we can read these table. अभी तो आपका question इतना ही था. For question number 3 it was just कि prepare this table, so your table is prepared, but in addition I am telling you how we should know how to read the table also. Okay, so for reading the table, what we see is there symmetry in this table? Symmetry along the leading diagonal. This is called as your leading diagonal from left top to right bottom. Okay, तो इसके along आप देखते हो कि क्या symmetry है? Clearly in this symmetry है. जरूरी नहीं हमेशा हो. Okay, अगर symmetry है, then that implies that this operation must be a commutative operation. So like here there is symmetry, means ये जो operation है minimum of A and B will be same as minimum of B and A. It is commutative. Okay, so symmetry in operation table denotes commutative. Okay, and next what we see is there any row which is matching up with the topmost row? 1 2 3 4 5 यहाँ मिली हमें 1 2 3 4 5. It is matching with the topmost row. Is there any column which is matching with the leftmost column? 1 2 3 4 5. This is the column matching with the leftmost column. Okay, तो जो topmost row and leftmost column का matching अगर आपको मिलता है तो उनका intersection क्या है? Like is happening here. This and this, इनका intersection is 5. तो इनका जो intersection होता है वो identity element होता है. And अगर ऐसा नहीं है, if you do not get any row matching and any column matching, then it will not have identity element. We know that कि it is not necessary that every operation has an identity. Okay, so if it has an identity तो definitely आपका ये matching होगा and जो इनका intersection होगा वही आपका identity element होगा. So for this operation identity element is 5. Okay, and inverse. After identity comes inverse. Again identity हो ज़रूरी नहीं है, then identity हो के inverse भी हो ये भी ज़रूरी नहीं है, सबका inverse हो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. Some elements might have inverse, some may not have, or may have. Depends. Okay, so अभी table से how to find your inverse. So from table अगर आपको identity मिल गई, फिर आप देखते हो कि जो identity element जहाँ जहाँ पर है, जैसे यहाँ पर है, इसका टॉप मोस्ट एंट्री क्या है एंड लेफ्ट मोस्ट एंट्री क्या है. तो ये जो इसकी टॉप मोस्ट एंड लेफ्ट मोस्ट एंट्रीज हैं ये एक दूसरे की इनवर्स होंगी. तो 5 विल बी इनवर्स ऑफ 5. अगर कहीं और 5 होता, अभी नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब अदर एलिमेंट्स डू नॉट हैव इनवर्स. ओनली 5 हैज इनवर्स एंड इनवर्स ऑफ 5 इज 5. ओके, बाय चांस यहाँ पे 5 होता तो मैं देखती कि यहाँ पे इसके टॉप में क्या है एंड इसके लेफ्ट में क्या है. तो फिर वो दोनों सपोज, ओके लेट मी पिक अप दिस वन. सपोज दिस एंट्री वाज 5, तो इसके 5 के यहाँ टॉप में 3 होता, इधर 2 होता, देन आई वुड से 2 इज इनवर्स ऑफ 3 एंड 3 इज इनवर्स ऑफ 2. Only if identity element was there. But in this particular table we have only single identity element, so there is 5 which is inverse of 5. Rest of the elements do not have inverse. Okay, so those are the ways how we, from looking at this operation table, easily we can comment on various natures of a binary operation. Okay,